Let's go and check on this open house, see how everything's going in this beautiful Creeks Bend neighborhood where, guess what? Only $99 down to get you into a brand new home. I mean, this neighborhood is one of the most high in demand neighborhoods in Murfreesboro.
Well, yeah, that's what we don't know about. But I mean, he's 20-something years old. All they need is all his business. I mean,
How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm just fine. How are the hot dogs?
Y'all better come in one.
This is the Weathers group, right? Mr. Juan, were you on the grill? Oh,
Yes, she was.
she ain't the best at juggling, but she is the best at putting you in a new house. And grilling, yes.
let me get them bitches, girl. Let me get them. Smile at me.
See you, bro. Bye. Say bye, Sebby.
Bye.
Oh, look, he's camera shy. You not gonna say bye to everybody?
Do I get a bye?
Yeah, tell everybody.
Oh, yeah.
What about me? There we go. See you, Mr. Hayden. Hey, see you, Mr. Hayden.
See ya.
Oh.
Weatherman, how are you doing? You got any words for the camera on this open house right here?
You better be quick. We don't have any left.
You heard it here first.